Bryce.
Got tea bags in for you.
Can't really fit in there though.
Hey, get that wine out of there.
Period.
You're up to no good.
Period. I was gonna see what you do.
Lori's stealing the wine.
No, Papa will have a fit. Lori, stop. You're mixing my wines up.
Look.
Pack it all up.
Jesus.
I know, don't mix them up, Lori.
Right now.
Lori, don't mix them up, Lori.
No, that's
God.
Lori.
They're in the right spot, you
I
know.
know, don't mix them up.
I got my certain kind I like.
Lucas.
Of course, Bryce getting into everything too.
Lucas.
Lucas
Yeah.
Winery.
Who's Lucas?
Winery. Wine.
What's Bryce getting into?
No,
Medicine.
Medicine.
down, boy. Go.
Hi, Bryce. Say hi. Say hi. Wave hi, Bryce.
Smile. Smile.
He's like, no.
How come your face is so smooth this way, so rough this way?
Wait there, man. Hi, Bryce. Say hi.
No more candy. We're going to eat it. Here.
What is it?
Candy.
There's Fat Kissy. Oh. You want to see something, Bryce?
We just got back from Vandenberg's. We found clamshells. Want to get one here? Who's looking at him?
Look at. Doop 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 doop.
What are you sucking on? A hose?
Here's Mom's wine collection.
Oh, God, that
They have
This is Terry's
Concoction.
firstborn's request. A light on it?
Oh, no, that's good.
Noodle bake.
Noodle bake.
Noodles, spaghetti sauce, black olives, and mozzarella.
You gotta do something
Firstborn
stupid.
bake.
Huh? What?
Somebody get that door for me?
Reading on here?
Yes. It's too hot in here.
Mm.
Thank you. You're the first one at the table, aren't you? No, you wait on it. I don't have one.
Yeah.
Lori, why don't you dish out some for Brittany too? We'll let it cool. The kids are okay.
Brittany's eating?
It's hot, so don't touch it yet. Hot.
Here, Bryce.
Carol, you have to kind of bend over and help yourself.
Here, Bryce.
Bryce, match. What are you doing?
I was going to give him a match.
No, you want it.
I was just flying around the food.
It's hot, I said. Let it cool.
He takes it anyway.
Lori,
What?
you want to bring out the jug of Kool-Aid? Terry, we'll put you right over there by Charlie.
All right.
All white. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Gotta hurry though.
So Oedipus smells his baby's head. He goes, no. His girlfriend goes, yes, we do.
No.
His wife. Or his wife. She goes, yes, we do. Put magic on his head.
You good?
Smell him.
Get him to do something funny.
Yeah, it's a dog. Look at Terry make a funny face. No, look at Terry.
Get it all over his face.
Terry, are you a doggy?
Get it on his nose.
What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? What does the frog say? What does the frog say? Let's go.
What the frog does?
Shut up.
Annoying.
If you want to hear annoying, watch the thunderstorms after, Chuck. Some little kid downstairs on the second floor.
Hey.
Woo, the whole time the storm's going on. What do you do? Oh, I got it on here too, but I missed it. Is there a way to move this
Yeah, I'll take it in.
so I can get him better? I might have missed it because of that in the way.
Open the drawer.
Bryce, come here. Here, I want to ask you some questions.
What happened?
You want to have it?
Yeah.
Why do you?
No.
He's like, okay.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it.
Have
Just have a cookie.
He wants this.
Here, Bryce.
He wants this right here.
You want what?
He wants this.
That? What is it? What's in there? Look in there. What is that in that hole?
What's in there? You see anything?
Wait, look really close. Okay, look really close.
Chocolate all over his face.
Oh, look at this sweet looking baby.
Wants to have it.
You want to have it?
Yeah.
I want to have a lot of things, but I don't. I want to have free insurance.
No.
Yes, I do.
No.
I want a new
Can't see you over there.
No. What happened?
You want to have that?
Yeah.
Say only.
Yeah.
And you can say, I'm cute.
No.
Say it, or you can't have it. Say, I'm cute. Say it.
No.
Say it and you can have it.
Hi, Brittany. Blow a kiss and say hi to Tracy.
Hello, Tracy.
You gotta say it to the camera. Say it.
Hi, cute.
Are you cute?
Yeah.
He's like, okay, give it to me now.
I said hello, Tracy.
Hey, you gotta go over there and do something for us.
I said hello, Tracy.
You do it. I'm not doing it right.
Mommy,
throws the
mommy,
wrapper.
mommy,
No.
mommy.
Right. Get it. Mom's diet.
No, that's nasty stuff. I noticed it tasted like poop. She'll never know.
Oh,
She'll never know about it.
You can see chocolate on mine. You're gonna fall.
Oh, it's
You're
chocolate.
gonna fall right off there.
What?
Oh.
I'm starting to laugh too hard now.
You don't know what he's been doing. You have no idea.
You have no idea, Mom.
Mom thinks she knows what he's been doing.
Mommy, mommy,
Terry, I go, Mom, you have no idea. She thinks I do.
have
need to
it.
have a new car.
No.
Yes, I do.
He wants the camcorder.
You'll get it too if you're not looking.
I know.
What? That'll be the end of it.
I gotta
Oh my.
put it up afterward.
Oh, say that to Carrie.
No.
What do you say?
Oh my.
Oh my.
There's nothing for you.
Ooh.
Hi, Brittany.
I have it.
I wonder why he does all that
Keep it up.
Oh.
What happens? Do it again.
Yeah.
It won't. It's gonna hit on the thing there.
No, Mom.
Uh-oh, he's all riled up now. I got tears coming out of my eyes. Eat it.
Oh, these are matches. Wait, cigarette first. Right? He knows how. He's done it before. Oh,
Lori, stop making a mouth, okay?
He's like, alright, never mind.
Mommy, Mommy, have you something?
Here.
Mommy,
Oh, that's yucky. He did it before and he held the lighter right up.
Okay, never mind.
Mommy,
Mom comes out. I'm like, okay, never mind. What, Ray?
Mommy,
What?
I only have it.
He's gonna keep asking.
There's her
keep
pose.
Oh, ow. Bundum, 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 baba.
asking. Don't pick that apart. Alright, you're in trouble. You make a big hole.
He jumped.
No more. Bryce. No.
He's into everything.
What'd you say?
I want to have it. 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 I want to
That
have
looks so
it.
funny. Everything is coming up. Going.
He's going.
I want to have it. I want to have it.
You want half of it?
Yeah. I want to have it. I want to have it. Thank you.
I need to say I'm cute.
You're cute. I want to have it.
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I want to have it.
You can't have it.
I want to have it.
Alright, I better shut this off before I wear down the batteries. Say bye.
Hi.
Say bye.
Give a kiss.
No. No. No.
Alright, get in the water.
No.
Get in the ocean.
I know, that's where I got that from.
Are you calling the ocean?
Going the ocean. That's funny.
I don't know.
There's Mom.
And then there's Mom. Hi, Mom. Hey, Mom.
What she'll do after Bryce leaves.
Hey, Mom.
Right, peace and quiet.
Take a look over here, Mom. Say hi.
Bryce,
Mom doesn't want to say hi.
Clean up.
you're going to clean up?
She's not in the mood because of this one right here. He's going to help clean up.
Don't throw it.
Where is he? Oh.
I'm afraid of.
Oh, he's going to throw it in the sink or something.
No, Bryce,
No,
come
Bryce,
here.
leave it out here. Give it to me. All right, here comes Grandpa. Give me that.
Get your arms out of the way, Lori.
Your brother's strange, isn't he?
Get your arms out of the way, Lori. Lori. Your arms are in the way.
Brittany, get out of the way.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
Right, Brittany.
I said don't.
He's getting out of there. We're watching him push his face against it.
Well, that's good.
Now he's getting out of there.
So that makes it okay to break the glass instead of getting him on the camera.
Uh-oh. He's running away.
That's not new.
Not far enough though.
Following Brittany. Trying to kiss Kitty now.
I like him falling or something.
Oh, I know.
He got Brittany right away.
Brittany, get out of the way.
No, stay out there. No need to in here.
Hello, I love him.
Don't pull on that. Oh, you already got it out, I see. Go. Jerry, I take you back to Florida with you. Tracy loved it.
I'm getting all this on tape here for Tracy.
Tracy will love to have him on tape.
No.
He goes right for the cigarettes.
You're right. No, she went.
Oh, it goes for something else. Mom sees him taking that over the table.
No. Ned just wiped them all off and cleaned them. Now he's got up against his mouth. Silly. I ain't joking.
We laugh about it.
Bryce, eat that like a doggy. Eat it like a doggy does. Jeez, you little puppy. Oh, nice doggy. Be like a doggy. Oh, nice little doggy.
Oh, he's got another
What does the
piece of
doggy
something.
say?
Doggy, doggy, I got bones.
You hear him go.
I got bones.
That's my dog.
Bryce, doggy, doggy, doggy.
Get out, man. Bark.
That's what the doggy does.
That's how a dog sounds, huh? Oh.
You hit him in the head. What do you do?
Stuck right there to his shirt, my drool.
Oh.
I kicked her out.
Oh, here's the next thing.
Into everything. Gosh, one thing after another.
Gross.
Bryce, go pick some flowers for Grandma.
She's gonna kill him.
Pick another one. Pick another one for Grandma.
Go give him to Grandma.
Yeah, go pick a whole
Oh,
bunch
okay.
of them.
Go give it to Grandma.
Bryce, go give it to Grandma. Here, Grandma.
Over there.
There you go.
No, get. Where that flower came from?
You picked your flower, Ma.
What flower?
That flower he just gave to you? You picked it out there.
Bryce. Bryce, look. He goes, that
foot come out. That's all you saw was just your foot. Next. Next thing you grab. Uh-oh. Look. I got a hider. Is that what he said?
A lighter, probably.
Oh.
A lighter.
Uh-oh, look. He just made a mess. Oh, no.
No. Papa.
No. Go on.
He's always doing something every minute.
No, me no.
Every second he's getting hollered at.
He is.
I know.
Now you're finding out.
Every single minute he's doing something.
You shouldn't be doing.
Uh-oh.
Play.
He's locking us out.
Papa's watching you. Look.
Quick.
Uh-oh.
You're in trouble.
Nice, thank you.
It's a spider. I did it.
Thanks for
I did it.
There's something smells like gas.
Have it open. No, shut it. I shut it.
Bryce, leave the door alone.
We get in trouble.
Is it?
Go, get away from there. There's a hornet's nest there. Don't touch it.
Yeah.
Get away.
Move back.
Oh, it's gonna go running real quick.
That'd be funny.
Holy mackerel. I gotta say that tonight. I get stuff upstairs.
Stay outside.
He just ignores it when someone hollers.
Well, that's because you don't give it to him.
Uh-oh, you're in trouble now. He's running.
You stay outside.
He was running, but I saw you coming.
Told ya.
You be good.
Okay.
Just like his father, he says that.
Picking his nose now.
Probably David.
Hello. Yes. Hi, Pat Wilson. Good, you? Yeah, oh yeah, he's standing outside running the camera on Bryce.
Blowing bubbles in the darkness.
Let me see it blow bubbles, Bryce. 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 Let me see you blow bubbles.
Blow some bubbles for me.
Let me see you blow bubbles, Bryce. Blow some bubbles.
Just water.
Uh,
There you go.
Hey.
Oh, there's a bug.
Now I gotta get that.
Picture me.
Oh.
When they got married, remember that? Remember the wedding?
See you later.
Lori, you were all peppered. Hello, thing. What's mommy doing? Here is Twitter.
I was trying to hook it up the door handle.
Over there, she's getting bit too. Long trek home. That way. Here, Loria. You did it? Here, Loria. Brittany. Okay. Where's Bryce? You want to tap on his, or you gonna pull him in the car? Get the top. Right here. I'm not pulling him in the car. Okay. I didn't know that yet. But... Strapped in.
We have to go to the strapping of the child.
Oh no. Is it good?
Yeah. Sometimes it's sometimes it's not. Sometimes he lets me.
Strapping of the child.
Oh, he walks right into the relationship thing. He's laughing.
You can't see us? I can't see y'all either.
Are you watching him? Oh, I was going to trip him, but how he done
No, Mommy, there's a behind the wall.
She's not going on a walk. She's going in the park.
Don't take him to driver's side.
There's one to the side.
All right, go on this side. Wow.
There's a behind the mommy.
You can't say bye to your mama. I'll turn the light on.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, you have to watch me start it with that key.
Okay, ready?
Oh, get him. He's running away.
Move, Rennie, quick!
The strapping of the child.
Oh, he's going to be good now. He's letting me. He doesn't even care.
Mommy, do I want my bubble?
You're going to carry your bubbles home. Okay, there's the T-top. T top.
Top.
Bye, Brittany.
Brittany, you're going to sit in the back? This is the
That's all
family
right.
van. Goodbye.
Bye, Bray. Bye, Brady.
The van.
The van.
All right. Thank you very much.
No.
Welcome.
What do you mean,
Bye,
no?
You won't want to roll it down too far. You'll get a bat in there while you're driving. I'm serious.
No, I'll shut it when I'm driving.
While
All
you're
right.
driving?
You got to put your dome light on so I can see you do it now.
This is... Well, this is my new man. That's my new man. This is how we start the family van. This is the key.
And it's broke.
We gotta put it in as far as it'll go. Start it. We don't need no key.
Oh, yeah.
How's it running? WBC. Oh, this is the 92 thing. Ready? Watch Price's face. Oh, never mind. Forget it. I thought they were gonna do it.
Oh. You gonna do anything that? Are you gonna do anything? Okay.
Huh?
Are you gonna do anything?
Oh, gonna go.
Oh.
Set the wrong part. Please. Here. This is the Ford.
I know.
Leaking gas.
We can something.
Smells like gas leaking or something.
For $700, it still stalls.
Take it back. Tell them to fix it and not charge you.
Good girl.
See? It's a Ford. And the key, the other half is in there. That's how we have to do it. I'm not doing it anymore. I'll just let the doors fall off and then I'll walk.
I know.
Wiper scrapes the windshield. Jeez. Alright.
You gotta stop banging in.
Well, goodbye, Terry.
All right,
See
bye.
you another day.
All right.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I think my batteries are starting to go.
Walmart. Wait a second. Here it is.
Where'd you find that from?
There's the wheels on the